Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Managing your payment information is crucial for security and convenience, especially when using online shopping apps like TEMU. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove credit card from your TEMU account. Whether you are looking to declutter your saved payment methods or switching to a different card, this guide will walk you through the steps. So first, we need to start by opening the TEMU application or website and log into our account. Head to your account settings by tapping on the profile icon, then select payment methods from the menu. Next, find the credit card you want to remove and tap on the delete or remove option. Confirm your choice to successfully remove the card from your account. And that's how you remove a credit card from TEMU. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.